I thought starting a premium clothing brand with no money would be simple. I was wrong. I spent 3 months researching manufacturers, trying to negotiate minimum orders of 500 plus pieces per design, and getting quotes that started at $5,000 just for samples. I even tried local print shops that charged $25 per shirt and made everything look cheap and amateur. But it was a struggle. I wish I'd known how to do it smarter. So to help you make premium clothing brand creation easier, here are 4 steps I learned that will help you go from zero budget to professional clothing line in under 2 hours. The traditional way, finding manufacturers requires $10,000 to $50,000 upfront for inventory, plus storage costs and the risk of products not selling. But Gelato literally connects you to a global network of premium print-on-demand facilities that produce and ship your designs only when customers order, with zero upfront costs and professional quality that rivals expensive fashion brands. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up your brand store with premium positioning, create designs that look expensive using free tools, connect to Gelato's global production network, and launch with automated fulfillment that handles everything from printing to international shipping. Plus, I'll share the link to try Gelato in the description below. Step 1. Setting up your premium brand foundation. Now, here comes my absolute favorite part, watching a complete beginner transform into a premium brand owner in minutes. When I first created my minimalist streetwear concept, I literally realized that premium isn't about expensive materials. It's about clean design, smart positioning, and professional presentation. I literally watched brands selling $80 hoodies that cost the same to produce as $20 ones just because of how they presented themselves. First, go to Gelato and click Create Your Account for free. Fill in the required details like your email, password, and basic info to set up your account. Don't worry, this part is quick and beginner friendly. Once you're done, Gelato will redirect you to a page asking what your goal is. For beginners, I recommend choosing Launch an Online Business. But if you already have a store or another goal in mind, feel free to choose the option that fits you best. Next, Gelato will ask where your customers are located. You can type in a specific country if you want to target one market, or you can choose Sell Worldwide if you want to reach more people globally. Then, Gelato will guide you to choose your products and niche. This is where the fun begins. You'll see lots of options like calendars, wall art, clothing, and other merchandise. For this example, let's choose clothing. Pick the items you're excited to sell. It's always easier to market products you actually like. Then, Gelato will ask about your yearly revenue. Since we're just starting, simply select 0. Once you're done setting up your account, you'll be directed to Gelato's main dashboard. Click Store. Then here, I recommend Shopify for beginners because it integrates smoothly with Gelato and makes managing products, orders, and payments super easy. If you don't have a Shopify store yet, no worries. You can also choose Etsy. Just click Etsy, sign up, and create your store. It's beginner-friendly and free to start. My secret tip, study luxury brands like COS, Everlane, or Uniqlo. Notice how they use clean layouts, minimal color palettes, and focus on lifestyle rather than just products. But wait until you see how to create designs that look like they cost hundreds to develop. Step 2. Creating premium designs with free tools. Now here comes my most game-changing discovery, creating designs that look professionally developed without spending a single dollar. When I used Canva's free templates and combined them with Gelato's premium product mockups, I literally created designs that looked like they came from a $50,000 design agency. I literally couldn't believe how professional everything looked compared to my early attempts. First, we start by opening Canva, and yes, the free version works perfectly for this. In the search bar, type minimalist logo or clothing brand templates. These templates are a great starting point, especially if you're new to design. When choosing a template, always go for a premium aesthetic. Think clean lines, modern typography, and lots of white space. If it looks simple and calm, you're on the right track. For clothing designs, remember this rule. Less is literally more in the premium space. A simple geometric shape, clean text, or a subtle symbol will almost always look more expensive than busy, colorful graphics with lots of details. Here's my exact process. First, I choose 2 to 3 colors only, Black and white plus one accent color works perfectly and looks very polished. And then I select clean, modern fonts. Avoid anything too decorative, cartoonish, or playful. Those usually don't feel premium. Lastly, I design with embroidery in mind, not just printing. If the design would still look good stitched on fabric, that's a sign it's high quality. Once your design is done, download it as a high-resolution PNG file with a transparent background. This step is super important because it keeps your design clean and professional when you upload it to Gelato. Now here's the super cute and exciting part. Gelato also offers free mockup generators, so you can instantly see how your design will look on real products like t-shirts, hoodies, and tote bags before you even create your store listings. Now, let's make free mockups using Gelato. Log into your Gelato account and go to the Create Product and click Multiple Products to upload your design into multiple products. Then upload your PNG design with a transparent background. Once done, click Continue and Gelato will automatically place your design on different products. You can edit the product and adjust the placement, size, and orientation until it looks perfect. Once you're happy, just continue the mockups, details, prices, and review section. And now you have a professional product image ready for your store or social media. The best part, this is completely free and it lets you see exactly how your designs will look on real products before you even add them to your store. Here's what most people don't know. Premium brands often use the same simple design across multiple products to create a cohesive collection, which actually reduces your design workload while increasing perceived value. My pro tip, create 3 to 5 core designs that work across different products rather than trying to make 20 different designs. Consistency equals premium. But the real magic happens when you connect to Gelato's production network. Step 3, connecting to global premium production. Now here comes my most obsessed with features. Accessing the same production facilities that major brands use without any minimum orders. When I connected my Shopify store to Gelato and saw the product list, I literally realized I had access to different premium brands. First, start by installing the Gelato app from your Shopify app store. It's completely free and connecting your store only takes about 30 seconds. Once it's installed, Gelato will automatically sync with your Shopify store, allowing you to start adding products right away. Then select all your products and click Save as Template. After that, you can direct add your product to your store or place an order for shipping. Gelato's platform makes this process fun because it provides real-time mockups showing exactly how your designs will look on each product, including multiple angles and lighting. You can use these mockups not only for your store listings, but also for social media and marketing materials. For beginners, it's best to start with just 3 to 5 products to test your market, and you can always add more later. Consider using bundles or add-ons to increase average order value, and take advantage of Gelato's shipping calculator to see delivery times if you plan to sell internationally. Here's what most people don't know. Gelato handles all production, quality control, and shipping automatically. When a customer orders, Gelato receives the order, prints it at the facility closest to your customer, and ships it directly with your branding. My game changer tip? Use Gelato's global network to offer fast shipping worldwide without managing any inventory or international logistics yourself. But wait until you see how to launch and automate everything. Step 4, launching with automated premium fulfillment. Now here comes my most exciting moment, watching orders come in and get fulfilled automatically without touching a single product. When I launched my first collection and got my first international order, Gelato literally printed and shipped it from a facility in the customer's country within 24 hours. I literally watched my brand become global overnight without any effort from me. First, we start by setting up your store's shipping and tax settings. Gelato makes international shipping super simple, but you still need to configure your store policies so everything runs smoothly. I usually go into Shopify, click on settings, and then go to shipping and delivery and set up all of these setting options. It's a small step, but makes your store look professional from day one. Next, we move on to creating your product listings. This is where you really get to show your brand's personality and justify your pricing. For the visuals, I I either upload lifestyle photography or use Gelato's premium mock-ups to showcase the products in aspirational settings. I like to imagine the mock-up on a clean, minimal desk setup or someone wearing the tee casually while sipping coffee. Premium customers are buying into the lifestyle, not just the product. Here's what most people don't know. You can test different designs and products with zero risk. If something doesn't sell, just remove it from your store. No wasted inventory or storage costs. My secret weapon? Use Gelato's analytics to see which products and designs perform best. Then create more variations of your winners while removing underperformers. This gives you a complete premium clothing brand that runs automatically while you focus on marketing and growing your customer base. I'm literally so excited about how Gelato has revolutionized starting clothing brands without money. I've been totally obsessed with this platform because it literally removes every traditional barrier to starting a premium clothing brand. The global production network alone gives you access to facilities that usually require massive minimum orders. You can try Gelato yourself using the link I have included in the description below. The platform integrates directly with Shopify, Etsy, and other major e-commerce platforms, so you can start selling immediately. Let's talk about real numbers here. If you hired a traditional clothing manufacturer, $10,000 to $50,000 minimum for inventory plus storage and shipping costs. If you learned clothing production yourself, 6 to 12 months of industry connections, supplier negotiations, and quality control systems. With Gelato, you can launch a premium clothing brand today with zero upfront costs and professional quality that competes with established brands. I know what you're thinking, but what if the quality isn't actually premium? Here's the thing. Gelato uses the same suppliers and facilities that major clothing brands use, with quality guarantees and customer satisfaction policies. What if customers can tell it's print on demand? The production quality is identical to traditional manufacturing, and customers receive products with your branding and professional packaging. The benefits are literally incredible. You'll launch a premium clothing brand with zero inventory risk. Your products will be produced and shipped globally with professional quality. Ready to start your premium clothing brand? Click the link in my description to try Gelato and launch your first collection using the exact 4-step process I just showed you. Join our community in the comments and tell me what type of premium brand you are planning to create. Smash that subscribe button for more zero-budget business tutorials. Your clothing brand idea deserves to become reality. Let's make it happen.